Damn.
Lost an engine. You got it?
Yeah, I got it. So it looks like the number one.
Number one's gone?
Gone, yeah.
So we have number two. Okay.
Hey, we're red line here.
Okay, roads 810.
We'd like to come to the airport now. We might lose the other engine.
Hey man, we're going down. We can't keep going down.
We're descending.
Growth Express 810, low altitude alert.
Rain, pull up. Pull up, pull up. Rain,
We're in the water.
Pull up.
We're in the water.